In this video, we are going to fix the Windows Update error 0x8024a21e. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. The first step that you can do is that you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. How we can do that at day start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. At day settings, you need to navigate to the left pane and please find for an option which is day system. Click on it. And afterwards, you'll see this list of the option. Please scroll down and locate for troubleshoot. Click in here. And next is you need to navigate to other troubleshooters. Click in here. And then run the troubleshooter for update. Okay? So once you have completed the procedure, okay, you need to run the Windows update again and check if it's working. However, if not, then we need to move on to the next solution, and that is to reset the Windows Update components. So I want you to copy the code that I have given at the YouTube description, this one. Once you have copied it, please proceed to the file here. Go with Saved As, and then please put a name in it. So in my case, I'll be renaming it into Fix Update. Once you've named it, please add an extension for that bot and then select Desktop. And from here, click on Saved and then close this window. So once you have saved the .bat file here, you need to make a right click and please go with the Run as Administrator. So click on it, and if you would receive a notification where your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. Okay, so type Y and then click on the enter key on your keyboard to continue the steps, and then once you have completed this procedure, run the Windows update again and check if it's working. Okay. Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.